So, dang pitok po, sa pikiling sinanggo, sa sigun dang pitok upload siya song to. Tinitiling nga to po just dang spinale. Yesterday, because of some work and because of absent-mindedness, I forgot to upload the stanzas. So I uploaded them this morning. And we're trying to cover 8 stanzas like yesterday, because now only we have 3 days left. So we have to finish 35 stanzas. So now we have 4 days, including today. Sholoka izuk sumchu subji soing tukle tegun tinga ta izuk chogustuk kawar chogustuk ba tepe izuk jaga sholoka tsik marek titemani miano yale tenita so let's see shloka number 101. Then shloka number gana chikle ta shloka number gana chik. Then shloka number 101. So first, as usual, I will speak in Ladakhi, then I will speak in English. So tenis on paleta dasa shloka tene déjà tena continue nongju son passant déjà tai sangal la goju gurgu panang gyapao tenite isoputon ta potse continue zoshi tu gyale ngana chipao teje dagi tu son jinje kanda nyenne pateda tani nyeson do tungwa son se jumenam teni dasangata notpa chokane daugune mata notpa chokane jaste teni chik o stotpa migune stoches skadak chmo chaches margel chmo chaches teni chik jisten chosgyat myong ches korwa teni semba chas miduk ches tezuk teni goshun zoshi no gujomira ino patse chik mata daugune jaste mata chik chidichin margel chmo michaches panteno ozulpa gumches la panteno teni chik zolpa tawe katup mezera zosa zolpa zose gewamane mikafale o chik kasponye pochu chise gewajimane mikafale son basang o daugun kadin chmo inzano pale chezena daugun jaste teni kongone ngata ngelwena ko chama chuka injiste nokle temani ngata chik dasa chus che par la yang chik migone chidon chik stotkan chus te matak podo kuran chus patak podo kuran mane lujun naskor la chano kuran mane kuran shmondo tansar kane chopai no o imita matak poyot kota mane gewajimba chuka no tezuk zerna teni tezuk teni stotpa na nyenda bunla ngata chik migone stochis po ngata semba chang dugna te ngata chik chidichin kuran semba teni ka chin dugna o ya teni chik yang semba ukule margel sikan rangin yono pa yale margelano teni chos chukan bang panamanok o ya teni chinga tan kule yang chos borjete yang chikta mani korang matakpik mana he samkam soshi samba korte teni yang korwena ko lokse chanok le tsamji nga ta bing tuyutna yang lokse korwena ko chanok juste nokpa ta tizuwa teni nga ta chik cake chukan yutna chik tijumba parchi chukan yutna nga ta teni migune chik skatak shinmo chaches nang nga ta chik teni chik nga ta anjimana migune skatak shinmo chaches la parchi chukan yutna daugun dushman tsoksi yutna teni tegon rgoshun tsoksin zemera rgoshun kani gatekeeper tsoksin zenokle nyalwa ngata chami chuchi se peya ngata na ko ngargyarashke machuga hale o ya te gyala in zenokle mama poya migune stoches watches te gore semba chana ngargyal chemo gyuran no teni mingan pa gyuran no teni nyalwena koshke wane no teno ya teni daugune ngata notpa chokane jaste ngata tezuk chidichin o ya nyalwena ko chachise zuk chidichin korang anjikten be antik belas macho no teno ya teni shloka number gyapina ochime dani chowa twingela nyedan kurting chimi kanda dajin roze ba tela dani chidar cho teni ngatan zoshina daji napa sangis pa ino napa sangis pe nana teni je o tepa chime lama ju kan zoshi ino le teni nangyang teni ngata sanga sangyamlin ju kan zoshi ino ju teni ngata migul bichi no zana je tarba da tumji kimbe kompang topches je sangis kompang topches ngata jona tarba topches ngata tarches izu ji migul ji no mone ngata yang je luste topches darung ma jinches korwena ko ngata gomane tsutsato kya tarung mata ma takpa tikildame lakpa tikildame skipar la tarung mata ma tikildam shishima no pale ngata te lamkan bon dulchi shino pale somba sang 지대진 되네 나단이 좋아 되게라 얘도 그때 지미규로 되네 다사 미군에 스토체스 워체스 미군에 나타지 마딱 보도 팔란지도 그저치스 베케트나 나타나 이숙샤나 빠치지진 즉 타바마 람간 소신 레리 되고는 되네 나타 간다 다진 조제 받달라다니 지다 조 되네 두스만군에 나타 이 징치스 보버 쫄텐지스는 그래 하고 이 미군에 스토체스 나스카 닥치 모체스 나타 이고시 모차나 마르겔레오나 빨리 되고는 되네 나타 타팔 담간 소신 자노클레 나타 다시세 트라이초스 이녹테 인나 tantegune semba chaspasang tarung mal tam kan sosin janokle tene jawgune nga tanteni stoja miguna stot machukspa migune stoches nang migune nga taska takchen mochaches nang mata migune spiral de molde motangches nang teguna jawgune parchichus pasang mata di takpa chingchespo korbenan ko tsuchespo tene takpa chingchespo kongone jolte injisteno tegune ko zosho chuenjisteno so we you English in minute just to recap a little bit, we are going back to stanza number 99 from yesterday, and so basically, our enemies who cause, who cause obstacles in us becoming famous and for us to receive praise, and so on. Our enemies who cause harm to us, they actually are like the guardians, at the gate of hell. Of the lower realms, because they are preventing us from being reborn into a negative state, because they are preventing us from becoming, egoistic, by receiving fame and, by receiving fame and so on, praise and so on, because of which our ego will be boosted, fame and, all these things. If you don't know how to handle it, it really boosts your ego and then makes you more, egoistic, and then makes you very, how can I say, samsaric person, very negative person. So anyway, so these our enemies who prevent us from becoming famous, who harm us, they're like the guardians at the gate of hell. They're preventing us from entering hell and so on. They're preventing us from accumulating bad karma. Then end stanza number 100. Okay, so our aim as Buddhists, or people who want to escape suffering, whether you want to call yourself Buddhist or not, our aim, those who want to get rid of samsaric existence, those who want to escape samsara and to achieve happiness, nirvana, our aim is liberation. But these fame, these praises, that people receive, that we receive from people, they're actually like ropes that bind us. And our enemies are the ones who cut these ropes by preventing us from becoming famous, by preventing us from, getting attached to samsaric, immaterial praise and so on. So they are the ones who are liberating us. They're cutting the ropes which binds us with samsara. So how can we get angry at them? So today's stanza is continuation from yesterday. So I just want to recap it a little bit so you know why we're talking about today's stanza. Again, I'll speak first in the Daki. Again, Dani Dungan Jundula, Sangikini Chinabjin, Mitong Gompar Nikurpa, Dela Danichida Tro, Denita, Matang, Jixtin Chusgada Chastele, Chicaskatachen Mochaches, the Chaspayons, the Semba Chaste, the Nichik Margelchen Mochaches Nanjik, Matanchik Jitenichi, Norman Putopchis Nanchik, Anchimana, Nipan Kurtisan of Pali, Nipazanateni, Zachis Tunches, Gunchis, Chalapunzan, Kurtisanateni, Stoches, Watches, Migunes, Tota Tanches, Migune, Skatachemo, the Chidichemo, Tapudu, Chimana, oh, Teomatateni, Semba Chakna, Dani Dungan Jungdula, Tene Matang, Dumala, Matang, Jugin Duxinocle, Matang. Dumali juguen ko ngata jugin duksenogle hago mago dumali na ko ngata changsa sontenogle dani dumal jungdula ngata tezuk teni semba chakan yutna ya stota wodana teni nyetpanam kurtira ngata cha semba chakan yutna teni ngata dumali na ko jukam sos inzistenogle ya teni stanza number tasa gyane chigite line gomao line nispao sangekini chinabjin teni line nispao ketena tichimulteno teni sanges gune teni chinaptangan sos ngata Jogun, Sangis Kuni, Chinap Tankan Nangjinla, Sangis Kini, Chinapjin, Sangis Kuni, Mata Chinap Tankan Sosla, Mitum Gompar Nigurpa, Mata Tenichi de Chinkuran, or Jogun, Pachichukan Bo, Tene Kurinakuga, Chamichuchis, Dumalinaku Chamichuchis, Matan Changin Ruteno, Skatashimo Changin Ruteno, Penia Tateno, Mari, Tenichi Chidichankuran, Injectemi Punches, good Saman and Gokurjispo, Dumalinaku Jumin Rutenote, Sangis Chinap Salka Nangjinla, Mitom Gompar Nigurpa, Chamachuga, Ruko, Chukan. Hale, tela tani chidanto, mate dauguni no pa, teguni ngatan chamajuga nole. Hago mago, matani chik nyet patopchis la parche chokan kurti topchisla parche chokan angchmana tegune tene chama chokan bo ati tawo no tene tegune man tegun mata sange se china tanga nangjin la chama chono kolmena kuga dungan na ko chama chono le rugo chukse no tela dani chidar cho teguna nga tanga zo shojun jiste no le hawa mogo 자우군이 파체 주체스포 도두스타나 자우군이 나타 파체 주체스포 데네 상게스군이 진나 당간 속신 자노엘이 공문에는 나타만이 가랑 창세 동안에는 그 나타 자치세 탑쇼스테는 공원이 고틱 죽성하다 참아 주어노 스테노 again okay stanza number 101 those who wish to cause me suffering our enemies and so on are like Buddhas bestowing blessing, it's like receiving blessings from Buddha when you encounter your enemy, who prevents you from gaining material gains, who prevents you from becoming famous and receiving praise and so on, because these are all immaterial, and attachment to these, keeps us in samsara, in suffering. How can I hate those who block the gate, who block the entrance of suffering? As I seek to enter the realms of suffering, because our attachment to material gains, our attachment to immaterial fame and respect and so on, becoming famous and so on, we are actually trying to enter suffering. That is the entrance to suffering. Realms of suffering. That is the entrance to the realm of suffering. So enemies who prevent us from becoming rich, who prevent us from becoming famous, they're actually, if you think broadly, they're actually like the Buddha's blessings, and they're preventing you from entering such a state of suffering, such realms of suffering. But we are trying to enter it because we want to get rich, we want materials, right? We want, what can I say, to become famous and so on. Okay, stanza number 102. Dini sunam kejichi tela toang rigminte zensung katup yumina tela dani mene samsa ta yuzon lashing se karasong dini ta tesuk samnale ki kaltes ngata dushman guni ngata daw guni I chidichin daw guni ngata parchi chuches pole daw guni ngata tenichi chupu gyurches nang tenichi ngata skatakchen mo chaches po khungne nga sonam sakma chuga inok nga sonam sakches gewa chuches songchamana ching ngata chik chupu gyurna ngata tene gewa chungyan no chimpa chungyan teno skatakchen mo gyurna migun mangpo jing ngata tene chusen ko skulma chungyan teno chidong shigang chamana ngata chusen ko ga kyongyan teno tezuk samna tene daw guni nga parchi chuste inok samna zisteno gele daw guni kaltes nga parchi chuste inok samna dini dawn dini teni mes nga sonam topches gewa sakches mana oya tibetene parchi chuste inok kekzisana parchi kekchi nga teni yuzuk chiri chin kurang chupu gyurmi chukches kadakchen mo chame chukches po teni nga sonam topches pia nga gewa sakches pia parchi chuste inok samna 대랑 좋아지면데 대숙 삼랑 교랑원에 되니 쇼초 초마노 모토네 지발레 대랑 대숙 삼바땅랑 교랑원나 쇼초 초마노 어제도 말에 준숨 까도 비미나 다 교랑 소나 메스페라탄나 속소남 sakches 에스페라탄나 되니 준숨 zulpa tsosla zulpa to wikato mezera tsosla shedan de witikpa me zulpa to wikato mezera tsosla 준숨 zulpa nangjin la 되니 zulpa na tsumspe 어쩌면나 zulpa tsose 만에 개와 만에 맺잖아래 하고 뭐고 좆바 쪽세 각본은요 부톱치세 개와만이 맺잖아요. 좆바 준숨 까도 비면나 좆바 쪽세 때는 마타직 각본은요 부톱치세 개와 맺바이나 텔라다니 미니삼 so tenen atame chipia zopa chipe migom zesteno tela dane minesenzena tenen ko chipe miduk zesteno ta zotpenen ko chipe miduk zesteno kle zopa chipe mitat zesteno hago mago kates matanga dembe korang sonam gosatna dembe korang ata chik gewa sagni nyutnaning mana tenen ata zopa chos metseno kle ta bahana matal zesteno kle kashige bahana chalo nokpa jawgunla ta kaltes jawgune nga peni chupo chaches nang nor longsho topches pola parchechona tenen nga gewa chimpa chuchesla parchechoste enok tenen jawguna shochogo sano jawgun metkan chogo sano zana jiwale molteno norteno chezana gewa chuches zotpa chosete ata kasponi buchuchese gewa jumane mekhle jimpa ngejo amira jimpa tansa mamo poyote nokle sulchim shungchese taps mamo poyote nokle samten gumches mamo poyote nokle sherabang mamo poyote nokle hawa inna 샤라베 윤테나 마마포 요테노테 이나 조파곰치스 율보 할레 타이크네 잡히스니 용친 뮨 쳔치시마니 마마마리 참아놓래 조파곰치스 율보 테피아 준숨 까도 비우미나 당신이 각스포는 옆에 덮치시 소남지 기와지 맷바나 텔라 당니 미니섬 데니 그럼 찌피야 저우그나 그냥 쇼마죠 즈파주데 그럼 찌페 두가 맷스는 텔라 당니 미니섬 ዝ발 102 It is wrong to feel anger towards someone thinking that person impedes my merit. So, if you think that your enemy, when they create obstacle in your life, they prevent us from becoming rich, materially rich, immaterially, they prevent us from becoming famous, then if you think that, then that will create an obstacle for me to accumulate good merit, karam karna, like accumulate good karma, because you may think, if I become rich, if the enemy does not cause obstacle in my path, if I become rich and famous, I will be able to build temples. I will be able to feed a lot of people. I will be able to, help a lot of people in the needy people. So that will increase my merit. It is wrong to feel, if you have such an excuse in your mind, it is wrong to feel anger towards someone like your enemy, thinking that person, our enemy, impedes my merit. Stanza number 102, please look here. Thinking that person impedes, creates obstacles in my merit. It is wrong to think like that. Because as Shantideva said at the beginning of this chapter, as there is no austerity equal to patience, there are many different methods of accumulating good merit. Generosity. There are so many beggars in the world. Now this will come after a few stanzas, this example. There are so many beggars in the world. So there are so many, so many sources, so many fields for you to feed, like so many, how can I say, so many places that for you to, to help, to be generous. And there are so many, for example, meditation technique that you can meditate and so on, and to gain wisdom. There's so many other methods of attaining good merit. Yet, patience is very difficult, because to actually practice patience, you need to practice patience, as Shantideva mentioned earlier in the previous, in some of the few stanzas before, and in the beginning of the chapter. To practice patience, you need an enemy to whom you have never caused any harm. Who harms you, who harms you needlessly, you understand, without provocation, who harms you. And if you have such an enemy, it is very difficult to find. Beggars you find everywhere. You open your door, you find beggars. Meditation, for example, if you want to accumulate good karma by chanting and prayer and all that, going to a temple, you have so many other methods. But to practice patience, you need to have an enemy whom you have not provoked, at least not in this life. And who harms you needlessly, who creates obstacles in your life. That enemy, is giving you a chance to practice patience, which is very difficult to come by. There is no austerity equal to patience. There is no similar source of accumulating good merit as patience. Everything else is abundant, to accumulate good merit. Surely I should put into practice. Surely I should be patient. Okay, so you should not think that, you should not have the excuse that, my enemies, if they create obstacles in me becoming rich, if they how can I say, if they create obstacles in me becoming famous, then you think that, that will prevent me from doing good karma, because I will not be able to be rich and feed lots of people and so on. Then Shantideva was saying that argument is invalid, because there are so many different avenues, of accumulating good karma, and but patience is very difficult to come by. So don't lose the chance to be patient. Be patient, please, with your enemy. That's what he's saying. It's very difficult to find sources of patience. Then stanza number 103. Kalte dani ranshkun ki dela zupar mijena sonam gyuni ngene pa dila dagi chipar se ta chidichin ta sosu ran ishkuni chaste kaltes dani ranshkun ki kaltes dagni zena nga kaltes nge ngara ishkuni chaste ngara ra zotpa metkani chaste ngara ra ishkewa nganma tani ngari dushman bo ngari daw no paskalkani chaste kautani ishkevin ko nge dawitsula lepte no kaudasa nga naxta nishkila ino kaudasa nga ngetpa nang kurti peninang ta peninang gonchis zaches tungchis ngetpa kurti zena tenes katakchin mo gyuche songchimana tegun te parche chot teo ngara hale dushman yongchis pa ngara right ishkuni no düşman 용체스 방아라 라스게 왕은 막과 낙산 까네제티 이스키비는 거가 이민이 düşman을 규르테 놓고 하고 뭐고 김산 몇 받고 저는 düşman 규르테 많이 오졌대 놓고 라스게 왕은 망하다 낙시산 될게 이스키비는 거 낙산한테 맨나 손바상 갈때 소소 장에 시켜니 할리 düşman지 용스데 였나 그리도는 였나 과다 küköy daksa köran no pachotna dila zopar mijena kaltes köran atini i düşman bo sachin mo deni kadinchen mo i düşman bo i dawo da düşman zirapa i dawo hale o köran kaltes zopa chom machona deni kazuk shinok zena sonam günin yenepa ngata deni çok sonam sakchese maj güzang pojik çok sonam sakchese maj güzang pojik nivar nespa ngati nimo duksenok zanakle ngati dunla duksenok zanakle sonam günin yenepa dila dakik chipase deni köran dun kora sonam sakchese izamshik köran chedichen koran topchesa kaspo mana ozukshik chedichen koran düşman jiyoteno kaveteni kawa köran zopa gumna izam köran sonam saknyanteno deni kaltes tewa shochoste tewa köran zopa magumna dila dakik chiparse deni soso jange hale soso jange parche choste nokle dila dakik chiparse soso jange soksonam sakchespo soso jange deni chedichen koran parche choste nozeste nokle 저와 조파마금나 마티 둔코나 요체스는 다 소남 sakchese jgügelechik düşman zanopale deni te shochun dunaning deni sosoran sonam sakchese la choste no sanongle sosoran parti choste isten hagomogo. If due to my own feelings I'm not patient with this enemy now according to Buddhist philosophy according to Shantideva and so on because of previous karma from past life our enemies in this lifetime they don't just appear. We have caused harm to someone. We have caused harm to so many. So many animals. How many animals have you eaten in this life? How many, people you have hurt? How many insects you have killed? Directly, indirectly, intentionally, unintentionally. Worst is the intentionally, like harming. In our past lives, we have intentionally murdered people. We have forgotten about it. Yeah, we have forgotten about it. It's like changing a disguise. When spies, when they change disguise with mustache and hat and so on, they look totally different. But they're not absolved of the sins they've committed, You know what I mean? So if somebody escapes from jail, right, he has killed someone. Even if he changes his appearance, if he looks like a woman, if he's actually a man, he looks like a woman, he's not absolved of his sin. Yeah, he still carries his sin. He just changed his appearance just because he has forgotten. People have not, people don't recognize him. Doesn't mean that he has not committed bad karma. So even in this lifetime, even though we have not committed bad karma, it's like changing disguise. In our past life, we have done a lot of bad things. We are not absolved of our bad karma. We have committed a lot of faults. We have committed a lot of failings. We have created a lot of enemies. We have planted the seed to create a lot of enemies in our past lives. Because of which, in this lifetime, your enemies are manifested as your enemies, as a result of you harming people. If due to my own feelings in my past life, or even in this life, sometimes we create new enemies in this life. I'm not patient with this enemy. It is your own fault that you created this enemy. Now he's near you. He's harming you. Yeah, I'm not patient with this enemy. If you don't practice patience with your enemy, then it is only I who am preventing myself. You're actually harming yourself. You're preventing yourself from practicing this cause for gaining merit. You have a good source to achieve good karma, which is called your enemy. So love your enemy. Cherish him. Because of this enemy, he's giving you the chance to cleanse your bad karma. Yeah? To cleanse your bad karma. To repay your debt of bad karma, to accumulate good merit. So you have a good source who's near you. And if you don't practice patience with your enemy, which was your own failing anyway, your own fault, and if you don't practice patience now with your enemy, you're destroying your own source, avenue, cause for gaining merit from practicing this cause for getting merit, yeah? Not getting merit, gaining merit, okay? Sometimes if I speak too fast, it sounds different. Not getting merit, gaining merit. Must be this coffee, So, stanza number 104, again is jipa. 강시 강미 민중라 다윗 잡백 양하고 제 공용 부소시도 게래 직보장 wordplay 나 지기 양스파 조시 강시 강미 민중라 강시 연나 연규로와 등이 대규이나 지다텔라 객시 자지 소알리 다일 데모치스가 단지 하고 죽나 다 강사 다 조파 강식 할리 마타 테네 조파 가 조파 강식 저라체는 마타 조파 강식 테네 달라 소스파 강 메트나 민중 제테노클레 조파 강식 테네 강식 강메 민중라 제르미나 조파 강식보 조파 가오 테네 도 강 메트나 요 마노 제테노클 할라 도 메나 소소파 고민레 마나 메미나 tot 가조 요한레 만하네. 오, 추면 나 왔다 되는 지리 친구라. 락먹고서 롬파고서 기로노래. 만나. 실먹고서 연데. 대족식이 놓봐. 손바상 이거는 맨바트면 뜻바고서 연래. 대족식이 놓. 더 강식 맺나 지리 친. 조파 강식 더 강 맺나 되는 요만 없을 거야. 조파 용치세 비야 갔다 조파 곰치세 비야 더고서 놓을 거래. 오야 되네. 강식 유나 윤규와 되네 까테스 더 쪽식 같다 놓빠 쪽한 유드나 강사 강식 더 강식 유드나 되는 같다 지리진 조파 검치상 유드 놓으스는 그래 하고 더면은 조파 검사 맺지스는 더 유드 조파 검사 유드스는 그래 강식 강매 민중라 강식 유나 윤기로 와지스는 그래 다 유치기 저 양파세상 책 하고 지 가스포도 되냐 고메팅 있던 다 받대 오는 그래 더면은 조파 검사 맺 더 유드나 조파 검사 유드스는 놓빠 쪽한 유드야 오야 요판주와 데니 데 주이나 지리진 테네 노파 쪽안에 다오테오 할리 테네 조페스 규노클레 하고 노파 강시 하고래 니지 강시 노파 쪽안 까오 테니 자노클레 티 규인즈나 테네 조페 규인자노 조파티 규이나 제스노 하고 메락타이 하고 메락레 스페셜한 다 사운징 다 멘토 지스켄sam나 타벤sam나 지 사운 고스노 콜레 테 사운 부케테나 규노클레 테 저스부케테나 멘토 포노콜레 하고 테네 지 노파 쪽안 강시 테니 so notpa chokan bo teni tene zotpa te yurgu inziste nokle hago mago notpa chokan mena zotpa yongchisma nopale saon mena meton mete nopa neje kanchi teni zotpa te yurgu ina zena tene ngata hagon chidar tela kechi cha tene kaltes ngata chidi chin korang o zotpa gumchise zupugo sadna ngata zotpa gumchise ten jazbugo sadna tene ngata kazuga tene neje tela kechi cha neje notpa chokan tewa tene ngata kazuga izuk chidi chin korang shruchuste ngata parche chönjiste no he hago chiramera Oh yeah, so this is tatena system ngle. Tontak dur dus tanga ya kanshi kame menjula kanshi yuna yunju wa tingi ti juina chita tele keji chasgambo chik daw menna zopa kum samit. Daw yutna zopa kum sa yute ngle. Hagwa teni kaltes zopa waketena zopa kum chisi jgu daw inna. Mentor jgu sawuninna. Mana teni kazu ngata teni tiwa parche chot system ngle ngata teni chidi chinkora daw tiwa ngata kazu shuchu de ngata parche ma chot system hago mago. Oh yeah. So teni sonam topchi sepia zope sonam topchi sepia kek ma chot system ngle kek kazu chot system ngle. So this is slightly like there's some word play going on, you know. If without it something does not occur, and if with it does come to be. Okay, so basically without enemy there is no chance to practice patience. Who you're going to be patient with, right? The ultimate patience, you know, that you practice, the true patience that you practice is against an enemy whom you have unprovoked, you know, unprovoked enemy whom you have not provoked, instigated, you know, impelled to harm you. You need such an enemy. So without that, you have no source. You have no cause to practice patience. So without it means if without enemy, something does not occur. That something is patience. Yeah, does not occur. And if with it, like our enemies, it does come to be, patience comes, then since this enemy would be the cause of patience, so since a seed is the cause of a flower, for example, so since the enemy is the cause of patience, how can I say that he prevents it, you know? You cannot say that enemy prevents you from gaining merit. I'm mixing it. You cannot say that an enemy, by causing us harm, is preventing us from gaining merit. So you have to be patient to enemy. It's some wordplay going on, so it's a little bit, something difficult to understand if you just look at the stanza. But the meaning is very simple, yeah? Okay, so the name, stanza number 105. So stanza number 105. 뒤에서 짐베 롱모에 짐베 계지 유마인 잡던 짐바를 제규르바 랍준 계지 char미로 소알레 다스페장나 나타직 가족의 농사나 다직 나타 조파 곰자네 칼테스 더우지 용나 나타직 조파 곰치스 페 나타 더우지 고사노 빨레 칼테스 나타 더우지 겨나 mana tezane tene ngata choksonam sakchespo chi kazukshi ngata chedichinta kwe kadu roxchoste no juna ta spejana yutal demo che jison chenia te kazukshi no juna tezu chimbe longo velo ta ngata jimpatang tusla hala jimpaji tang tusla tezu jimpatang tusla tene longo ji yongna azitenokle ikane ngata chik penis kagashkila yudo khajitang ashkila yudo kolakta mishkila yudo jimpatang ashkila yudo jimpatang tuspe kakates longo ji yongna sankan ji yongna koiteni jimpa ngata jimpatang chispo parchi chuste manopale jimbe kechi yumain ko ngata jimpatang chispo parchi chuste manopo ko ngata jimpatang chispo ma rox chuste nopale agwa oya rap tenia nangjin na yang ta gumpe la tawa zoshigina raptun jimbar chigurpa rabjun kishi chami rong tenek chik lama jigindo mana giwishingin jigindo tewe tenek kaltes tik tawa chuchisipya ko shaputang gosano mana tawa chuchisipya ko rabdu chumchisipya ko namzaskon gosano ko tawa chugosano pale tezuk tenek kaltes raptun jimbar chigurpa tene tezuk tawa chokan lama giwishingin tegune tenek tawa chokan lama giwishingin tegune teni tawa chokan yongzani ko parche chuste manopale hago mogo kaltes ngerangone chik chizu chinta tawa chushi zongburang kaltes ngerangone chik choshi gosazena mana choshi gosazena ika nga duksi yodna nga yi dukchespo ngerangone ikane chos ika jo yongzani nge parche chuste manopale nge rox chuste nopale nge ikane penitang skilla sankan jonar sankan nge penitang chispo parche chuste manopale jimpa tangchispo parche chuste manopale rox chuste nopale teso shizeste no ya 다유 때나 나진가 때니 제대친 다이간에 굴려셔도 겨 잉글리시 직 주고살래 잉글리시는 당에서 냠보니 부주던 버직세 버버 고추어라래 okay so a beggar is not an obstacle to generosity yeah so an enemy is not an obstacle to us practicing patience and gaining merit so how is it it's an example a beggar is not an obstacle to generosity when you are giving alms, when you are distributing money, when you are distributing food to the beggars, to lots of beggars, and beggars come, they're not causing, they're not creating an obstacle to you being generous. They're actually helping you, right? So, when I'm giving something away, and okay, the second part is in a monastic setting, yeah? So to be ordained, to become a monk, you need a senior monk. So the presence of a senior monk, and I cannot say this, those who give ordination, yeah, and a senior monk, a presence of a senior monk are an obstacle to becoming ordained to the people, to the newcomers, to the novices, yeah. So in the same way, the presence of an enemy is not an obstacle to you achieving merit through practicing patience, okay? It's actually, he's helping you. Zotpa gumche ngata tsoksonam sakchesepya zotpe gyutte zotpa tawitene ngata katubjinyampo tsoksonam sakzane ngata doji ngata gosano te do yuchespo ngata notte man tante no uzteno hele yeju tene stanza number 106 jikte nangni longwa me ne parchi bakon batte dita parme majena ga ne ba meji dolo ta jikte nangkoga tene 다른 주간 속라 롱모 마모 보였대 놓래 짐바 당사 마모 보였대 놓래 하고 짱 쪼고 싶으면 그냥 갔다 맞다 짱 쪼고 싶으면 그냥 짐바 당 마모 보여 맞다 juk 짐바 당사 마모 보여 직대는 롱모 몇 직대는 걸 롱모 마모 보였대 놓래 하고 마모 보였대 못 지시 보면 지ste 말래 마모 보였대 놓래 직대는 juk 롱모 롱간 비카리 상간 마모 보였대 놓래 이나 not pachukan 짱마다 아와 not 마스카라 이원 not pachukan 마스쿨 뭐 유지 not pache paskon pates no 하고 not pachukan 마스쿨 뭐 캬스नो 데터 판네 마체나 가암네 파미지도 데니 not pachukan 뭐 가수시노잖아 아와지 not 파 마쳐나 마나 데니 이원 not pachukan지 마니 요마노 빨래 하고 뭐고 손바상하다 아와 not 파 지디친 거랑 따지 다양 위숙스테노 스페셜나 땅아다 직 장추스 버지 인간 조스테 상게살라메 그 둘간 조스테 마나 아다 직 장추스 베직 나타 기와치 바초간 조스테 데 코랑 아다 조파 곰간 조나 조파 곰스 율보 뉴와 차노 저르블레 Melaris pengan matani chusha zane chidichin shankunang shawa niska nyampu yangspa kyalo bale agwa tizu yongchin lole lutpa chugan ta yinokpa koran tezam mani koran chidichin demba jona chik dum khona chik shankuna shawa nis bortana mane sarjis turi tangcha nokpale tezam mani koran koran ti Melaris pa koran sangge songba changchu semba songba te energy we mani koran dunna yotkane shawa nang teni izuk shankun niska mani koran yangspa siste izuk chidichin tizu kyalo le 다 소소랑 직 개와 줬대 참독 때 초스 줬대 오 로만 보지 다지 참아도간 장주스 먹였나 넛바 주고 뉴와 차는 사람들 되네 아와니 넛바 좀만 제세는 하다 장주스 몇 돈바 주스테노 데이터 파르미 마제나 아와 넛바 맞죠 이와 넛바 주고 지간이 올래 되네 하다 장주스 밀라메 그 둘라닝 보톨 데모 하다 보톨 게라 소시 줬대 칸이 직 보톨 마제나 셈명 하다 안테니 이 장주스 베직 지디진 거나 잠닝지 곰스테 조파 곰스테 하다 데숙 상게셀라메 그 둘라닝 아타 넛바 주고 뉴와 차차노래 아마 넛바 맞으니 이만 넛바 주고 뉴치스마노 딜라 파르네 맞으니 가암네 바미지로 아마 넛바 맞으니 이만 넛바 주고 뉴치스마노 아마니 넛바 주치스마노 제세는 다 장치스메 돈바 주스테노 할리 데니 쿨레 짐파 탄산 직스테나 롱와 상칸타 만포 강세 두가 노그자노래 넛바 주고 뉴와 차노자노 티페 조파타베 카투메 시단타베 디파메 제레미로레 시단타베 디파메 조파타베 카투메 제라조슬라 조파 쪽슬라 나타치 조파 곰치세 모카토지 모카스 다상 나타 칼테스 쇼만포 요았나 테오 마타나 치직 심바 마둘카니자스테 테오 마타나 타룸 디파 마다카니자스테 테오 마타나 타룸 참닝지 마곰카니자스테 테오 마타나 타룸 치디침 코랑 조파게라 마곰카니자스테 민만파 인카니자스테 마타 노파 쪽을 만포 있더노래 테오자스테 마타 쇼용세노래 칼테스 미게라 쪽시게나 슈스죠노래 쇼초만 오빠다 나랑 조시 땅보지나 남마 춘전에 잡히 전전 소식 오야 되니치 잡히 말결전 땅 말결전데 지 말결데 장 코스 상관 줘봐요 말결데 지장 주시 몇 타이낭 다지 줄코시긴제스 파산 잡히 엄청 많아지 포소스 땅간 소식 대수 잡히 했던 발에 되니지야 지 증모 땅간 소식 전전 소식 했던 바다 초상대상 마시스 하나 대수 바상 대전에 지금 마탈간 만지겠길래 하고 뭐고 마탈간 만지겠길래 아와 야샤만 포마주스 알레 테니 샤조스 테니 증모 땅 스픽 쇼초스 대죽초스 파상 야 테니 이와 노파초간 반지겠길래 다 당들이도스라 다직 마착부 규텐데 스테마니엘에 장부지나 이는 만미 히사베가 당들이야 조파체 마송트라플레 당들이 미그나직 노파초신 민년이 많이 마추스핀 송바상 다직 노파초간지 짜라 차고시 소시 두팔레 노파초간 몇% 조파고서 홈레 하나 테베직 마타 수이 마타직 쇼초트나 노파초트나 아와 쇼 마쇼가 데이터 파미 마제나 가 너빠 메주도 아와테는 너빠 마죠 이와 너빠 쪽까지는 많이 그런 착불 것이 소신지를 봐야 돼 데메인디 두글레 지파 다사도로 못 보이트 놓을래 알아 지키는 거 상관 못 보이트 놓 오야 다유 주스탄레 stanza number 106 there are indeed many beggars in this world right because poverty I think the world is going to get worse and worse there are going to be more and more inequality between the wealthy and the poor so they are going to be more 1% rich of the people and there's going to and it's going to increase the gap there are going to be more rich people and likewise there's going to be a very big separation of wealth and there's going to be a lot of poverty in the world because the natural resources are being dried up and they're fighting wars now just for some minerals, just for some mountain ranges, just for some oil, just for some, forest. People are fighting, They're coming up with all sorts of excuse. And the world's natural resources are slowly dwindling, So it's only natural that if you let, it take its course in the future. Like now, there's so many beggars. There's going to be even more beggars. It's going to keep increasing. So, for you to be generous, avenue of you to practice generosity, to accumulate good karma. It's very easy. There's going to be more and more avenues for you to practice generosity. But only by practicing generosity will you achieve enlightenment? No. You also need to practice patience. You need to have the perfection of patience. Perfection of patience to achieve enlightenment. To get rid of jealousy, you need to practice generosity. Easy. Yeah. But to increase your compassion and loving kindness, you need to practice patience. It is very difficult. Without compassion and loving kindness, you cannot achieve enlightenment. Because it's one wing of the bird. Wisdom is very easy. But without the accumulation of good karma, by practicing patience and loving kindness, which you increase by practicing patience, by being patient, you cannot achieve enlightenment. So those avenues will dry up. But scars are those who inflict harm. if I've not injured others, without provocation, it will get less and less as you become a better person by practicing the path, the Buddhist path, as you meditate, as you chant, as you, practice loving kindness and compassion, as you become more and more generous, as your wisdom increases, as you evolve yourself, as a human being, you become a better version of yourself. You try to find perfection within yourself. You will not harm anyone at all, obviously, because your loving kindness is so much. You'll be so patient. Eventually, you will run out of enemies. Because no one will hate you. Everybody will love you. Then you have very few avenues of practicing patience. So that's why Shantideva was saying, even now, if you have an enemy, please cherish that enemy. Cherish that enemy. That enemy is your biggest friend. That enemy is your biggest guardian. We talk about guardian angels and so on. That enemy is your biggest guardian angel. He is preventing you, from entering the lower realms by creating obstacles, because you are getting attached to samsara and samsaric activities. Okay, these are some such amazing teachings. Halajiduk pale, shozun kunjole, sambek tanamana. Dimba intuk pale, ngata jikta, chanchu simba jik gyura china, jik simba zampo chua china, ko dushman zogon suyong chenle, dawu suyong chenle. Manone chik mi gyala gona suyu shuchurukle, mane kora moskur mono pale. Lutsuk riyudna mane koran chishi yale. Sangesna chanchu simba gona, suyu ngata zuka chidi chen korang. Nyatukan jiyong tukle, suyu shuchukan jiyong mano pa, tena tsosla ngata ata, kule chus chen. Awan not pa chang macho, zotpash kyanka gom, cham ninjesh kyanka gom, mi samanya pa zao gyur, semshan gom, himje gom. Stignete semshan gona ngati duna shanku gun yong na, mane kora yanspar seches, shanku dun beka shawaji gona, tenya po yanspar seches, kazuwa melari be dunar ses kyam. Kazuwa tene mulchu tome zampo, kongwe dunla tene, mane kora semshan te chigni che zakane tene, semshan tsangma yanspar sese, juziste namsaran diz dukpale, karsong. Ika yongchenle, jitsu milen duna kida shawa lenji du chunyin pa tang. Tene chik chanchu sim mama po, ata chanchu sim gomste, chik cham hinji gomste, migyala gyurna, sosa nutpa chokanta awa bosh, sosa dunla yutkane tene shawa nang, ki nang shawa ngiska, kipshang zorik tene shawa tekun, yanspar sekan, chunyin pa tang, chus nyan tilde mo chudusi yanspar seze. Gyashe tome ki, mulchu tome zampo, izukino pale ta sangata chedi chen, gyase lalin sudu mazat kamba indiyo. Tene ngolche gyase tome ki nduyna shanku dan luk ngi penzu gajing stewar che pala sopa tau luk na shanku inska yanspar se kyat gule. Mulchu tome zampe dunbeka. Dasa i chunchuk zikan baya le nganma dasa nyingme lama mataku zhikya gule. I lur kya talji ngala inti gyot kungatsan la patrul rinpoche zano pale patrul rinpoche nza patrul zano gule. Mala mataku kya zarukpa. Kongka rishkyot na ngayle. Lama chanchu simbale. Kongka rishkyot na chunchuk shkyanka chito kya zarukpa. Chunchuk. Specham mani jama chito kong tsangko na chunchuk lama zi dasa kya lule. So, tene kong kane kara chunchuk tit pasang, korang chanchu simba song pasang, tene tontak pula, sema jar pasang, tos pasang pa gompa, korang rangi chus pasang, migo na las pasang. Tesam jina bu kya lule, jaa kashiga mentok shkechin lule, kong kaka chus salat, chunchuk tita, mentok shkechin lule, tewa chunchuk mentok zanok lule. Podla. Te mentok karang tupchi ma lule, mani mentok yamsan janjik, mani korang rugun sukshi stonji gishkilang, mani mika tezan eskampishkilang mentok damu rishkechin lule, chunchuk mentok zachin lule. Zapal rujumbashi namtara nyongchin lule. Tesam yongdukpa. Tene nopa chokan kani myunchano pale. Tepe zesin didu pale. Shedang tawi dikpa me, zopa tawi kato me zile. Zopa tsose kakspo nyampo chuchi se tene chik, ngata izukshik, giwaji mani menziru pa ya. Teo mpa tenokle. So, I was just expanding on this stanza, saying that, Milarepa, the great Tibetan yogi, when he, when he used to teach, there used to be, forget about people causing him harm. In his life, there were some people, because of jealousy, they would try to cause harm to him. I think there was a monk, towards the end of his life, who poisoned him, and I think a couple of people. But otherwise, it just became so little, because he was such a great human being. He was, enlightened, and he would not harm anyone. So because of that, his karma had exhausted. All his bad karma had exhausted. So he had no avenues of getting new enemies. But anyway, so he's saying he was so calm, he had no one to harm him. And when he used to teach, among, his, for example, entourage, sometimes in the vicinity, there would be deers, and there would be dogs, wild dogs and so on. Usually wild dogs, when they see deers, they will like fight. The dog will try to eat the deer, like wolves and so on. But they will sit down and listen to Milarepa's teaching. So when you see a painting of Milarepa, you always see like this hunter. He's not hunting the deer. He has a dog. The dog is not hunting the deer. There is a hunter. He has put his bow and arrow down. He's listening to Milarepa's teaching. He's forgotten about hunting. He's become a compassionate person. He's forgotten about becoming an enemy to other sentient beings. The deer has forgotten fear of the hunter. Yeah. And aversion of the hunter, and the dog also has become friends. So they're all listening to Milarepa's teaching. That's the power of compassion. That's the power of patience, So eventually you will run out of enemies. So that's why Shantideva was saying, if you have an enemy, cherish him, like literally, that is like Bhagwan to you, yeah, God to you. And also there was another great teacher. When he used to teach in the teaching, it is said that among his, entourage, there would be like, sometimes there would be like some wolves and some sheep, and they would be playing around. And this was like, I think, a few centuries ago, not very long ago. Yeah. So anyway, there are lots of examples like that. Yeah, stanza number Gyanangdun. Oh God. Like Yospa Chonang, Kantachi, Sargima Shamirkale. Mini Chungis Manimalusto, Karituchala. Okay, stanza number 107. Devi, Nave, Madupe, Kim to Deni Chumata, Chanju, Chupe, Togirpe, Tagi, Dala, Gawarcha, Childumoti, Hale. Tenichik, Matame, Tachik Mishitule. For example, Matan Dasa Dawji Topna, Chang Macho, Chang Macho, I want not Pamashkela, Matan Dawji, Mishi, not Pashkelna, Kazusha Sampatangosonojuna, stanza number Gana Dun, Sanaza de Same, Minikijuruku, Hale, Sanazat. Devi, Nave, Madupe. Tenichi Sosorange, Hale, Sosorange, Tenatosla, Tenis Sosorange, Mijige, Chik, Skangal Bardo Mampujik, Nalte, Malte, Skangal Bardo Mampu, Juste, Anchamana, Madupe, Chang Machoa, Madupane, Kim to Tenichumatar, Chang Machoa, Hale, Skangal Chang Bardo Makura, Campeoa, Torijik, Ter Bingal, Terzana, Kazana, Treasurely, Penny, Sir Mulmanakoram, Kilo Gani Vietsoshi Binchana, Halishas Mobile. They want to pick Sankan and Tropasoshi, Nalbachan Soshigina, Mana, Sankanji, who campaign of Kojashik, he knows that chick drinking to the chick doing Dugna, Chickstana, Morgamjino, Circular Gani Bibin at the Managora, then you could Jimmy Tatle. So, they will Malve Madupe, the Nats of Slatene, Chang Mataskamal Bardo Makura, Dene, Chang Machua, Ale. Chang Mata Machua, Kim to Teni Chumata, Campe, Kiminango, Kim's in a Campa, Kiminango, Tenich, Terji Bing Channel, Norbushi Bing Channel, Diamonds of the Bing Channel, Chingata Mitat, Changju Stupe Tokyope, Taxamatan, Changju Semelameka, Changju Sembelameka, Dulkan Soshigino, Nampe Teni, Nampe, Chidichin Tachik, Sangi Shakatope, Teni, Jinju Soshi, Incan Chosteno, Sangi Salameka, Dulkan Chosteno, Hala, Changju Sember Chotpa, Changju Chotpazana, Sangi Shiselameka, Chichi Last Chugoshes, and Tizuklameka Dulkan Mijino Pale, Changju Chotpa, Changju Sangeses, Chotpazana, Las Mana, the Sangeses, Last Chokantene, or Tizuklameka Dulzane, Dogun. Matantini, Zawjustana, Mata, Chamacha Lama Duliskilach, Benito Consoshik, Hawa, Chamacha Campa, Nita Skilla, Jashimanic, Dungi, the Chick Duachina, Hale, Chick septic injury, septic, Pilopa, septic injury, some Tale, Charasumic, septic injury, Chick Stachin, or Charaji Jule, Nakun is stepping on it, Jimmy Tadle, Lameka Dulta, Mata Sangesa Lameka Dulzan, Doji Mata, not Pachokonani, then also Sinzanle, Chanjo Shubito Gulpe, Matatene, Sangese. La mega druzane chanchu sembe tenis chotpa yato chukani and tene zaozo sinzano dogun daki dala kawarcha tene mata dogun na mata ko sono uzanokle dushman gula so oh yeah that's zechis dala mo teina chochis la kasmo de ona bata dele tambu ziten ya practically zenengi ya tambu juna ya teina iu da sangata jwale mata ya le iu susteno pa iu zenokle chilo 아까 봤던 도 사바인 진에 되게 레지가 코르지기 저 시간도 되고 zupa도 되게 저는 나도 소리 공부하면서 미라 이 지와레세 근데 이제 고멘트 하나 다스직 보이 준주기 때문에 스타직 담분이 스파인 올래 쇼로카 TV 유스트는 빨리 들어갈 무슨 갭스는 올래 나도 소리 공부하자 마타한테니 시츄에이션 민나 민는 거가 지와레세 바하나 당스는 올라 마타 유칸에 바하나 군 뿌라 이렇게 쓰는 정도만 줬어서 마타 유칸에 바하나군 뿌라 지와레세 뿌라만 삽스는래 몇간 줬으면 지비 줬으는래 하고 마타 바하나 유tka 테니까 다우고 니칼테스가 넛파초나 니 페니톱시서 넛파초나 속소남 사시는 넛파초 간들 테 마타 아르규멘트 치üt나 마타 바하나 치üt나 테 바하나 상마 지와레세 몇간 줬으는래 tene jiwala koranga tene bahana minda ngata lapse nokle tizuk nacho sul ki komparcha nacho sul zikanbo taps minda ngata lapse nokle zo pa izogom dawote pege la no dawote pe ngata chakpul gosan stigma tizuk chano hayesena tuzesena dagi dala gawarcha dawogun tachisi gumsan bo ketena tene campaign ko chap duks perskilla dolok tste ngata ji gwe khado mo bunne gel serji ngata topchana campaign ne topchana mana 좀 밑에 돌에 차스탑선 되는 세트 로이즘시 비는 뭐 묘시잖아 보네. 정말 좋답되는 보호대서 좀 되는 거야. 되는 것다 장주스 빌라메 그 줄자니 좀 마탄 또 마스칼라 장주스 공간 주스대로 되는지 심신군은 잠닌지 공간 주스대로 야 되는 두스만 주는 도시오나 짱 맞아 두스페스킬라 뱅기는 거 메시지 लेने टिलिंग जानो पले टिंग टोंग जानो पर मैसेज तानो पर आपके अकाउंट में 1 करोड़ रुपया आ गया जना बस हाले गुमादे बेहोश जानो मना 양랑 जानो या जो तेने 당찬 올래 두바모모 웨지 두바모모 당찬을 두바상어 버때 대소시 인지들이 다 고선을 시스템을 라마 때는 가다지 다오지였나 다오 때는 가다만에 자오조신데 다 고선을 시스템이야 이 사직 말도 못 그래 걔는 봐 107 therefore just like treasure appearing in my house so for example you're just in your house and you feel like you want to dig a little bit, maybe the floor is not good, maybe there's some leakage, or you want to create a basement, you want to dig your floor, you dig your floor and then afterwards tang, what's that, and you look, oh, it's a big box, oh, open the box, inside you find treasure, you find karunka kazana in Hindi, you find treasure, you find gold, diamonds and so on. You don't know who ate it there, but you find gold and so on. You become so happy. You did nothing at all and you just got it. You just showered once or twice, not showered, pickaxe, you just dug once or twice. You did nothing and then you have this big treasure, just like that, just like treasure appearing in my house without any effort on my behalf to obtain it. You didn't go to the mountains, you didn't look for gold mines, you didn't sit in the river and looking for small bits and pieces of gold. No, you just sat at home, you just felt like digging a little bit, you dug a little bit, and then gold came out. So how happy would you be? How much would you embrace it, that gold? I should be happy to have an enemy, for he assists me on my conduct of awakening. Yeah, right now we are on the path of awakening. So on this path, we have to adhere, we have to stick to the conduct of a bodhisattva, conduct of awakening. Yeah, Chanchuchupa. So on that path, our vow is not to cause harm. So, we're not causing harm, we're just walking. Now, all of a sudden you get an enemy. You didn't provoke him. You didn't do anything to how can I say, deserve the enemy. You didn't do anything to deserve the enemy. But on your path, if in your life, if you have an enemy, because right now we're on the path towards enlightenment, towards awakening, that enemy is just like a treasure, coming out of your house without doing anything at all. So cherish it, hug him, take him out for coffee, don't let him go. Be very patient with the enemy, cherish him. Really, that's what he's saying. So Shantideva was basically trying to, with all the stanzas that we have covered, that we are covering today, and the remaining 20 odd stanzas, Shantideva was what he's trying to do. He is eliminating, he's, mincing all our arguments, our excuses. Yeah. Oh, but then if I have an enemy, if he does that, I will not become rich, blah, blah, blah. Whatever arguments we have, as a Buddhist, as someone, who is following the path of goodness, who's following the path of, enlightenment, he is making mince of all our arguments and he is putting forward his arguments which are beyond arguments. Yeah, so these are arguments, these are very good examples and arguments. So he's giving us different methods. He's trying to convince us to be patient, to be, which will enable us to become more compassionate, love, and kind, and to be happy and to accumulate good merit. So he's teaching us different methods. These are all his techniques, and he's very clever. Yeah, and his stanzas are written beautifully. His arguments are so beautiful. Anyway, 108. Since we're running out of time, Gyana Gyapale, Dedan Dagi Dupe na, Teacher Zupin Duoni. Zupin Duoni, Dila Toma Darite, Detatini zutpe gyu, teni ta chik nga tang chik jawoji kyali. Jawoji ki jaste, teni nga tang zupa chupsi nukpali. Hago mago, jan dedang, teni chik jawon dedang, teni chili chen korang, jawon dila teni dagi, ni zupa chupsi nukpali. Hago, dedang dagi chupi na azin, jawo iwe kwa stente, teni ni zupa chupsi nukli. Zupa chupkani jaste, nga tsuksanam saksan, nga fayda sonte nukli. Taji jogos. Ta minshiki katis nirangula, 토리지 차스탑체서 록스잖아 많아 미지 이랑구나 차스탑체서 록스잖아 사운 gel라 경나 차스 gel라 되미나 구매가 지정 다 차스 찍할리 토리 이주 스톤톡스케 하지나 스트로베리스케 하지나 체리스케 하지나 직 뉴마오마 지동아다 파팅고팅스케 하지나 지죠로 풋풋게 때문에 당찬 빨리 많아 제스는 크이셔스 줍스는 봐 뒤주스 빨리 대단 다기 줍이나 저건 딜라 때네 다기 소파 줍이나 때네 소소 속스남 사스페나 대체 줍은 되우니 딜라 토마토르데 때네 마타 줍은 제스부 조파 곰체스 제스부 개와 속스남 찌삭스였나 대용마타 수수 저구나 스모고서 놓으세는래 저구나 마타 대 개와 곰고서 놓 조파 찌마타 조파 곰간이 찌마타 속스남 사스나 때 속사는 건 정말 저거는 나타 숨고서 놓으세요 놓을래요 하고 뭐단지 차스탑스는 고마 풋풋때 까미군 예토 주스티구나 다운 버때 줬라 니라 토마르더리데 되니 때마다 고마 창면상 풋속보 때마다 지 속선함 상나 조파곰체서 속선함 인도 진파 당체서 속선함 인도 지 속선함 그메가 저 투지체 에즈고 상선 레레 디다테니 주페기오 테니 조파곰체서 라소페 테니 기와 sakchese rgyu 테니 지 소체쇼 뽕마타 저인 파상 테니 저우 마타 고 지디친 마타 지 기와인 데서 먹고 싶어 하고 조파곰체서 지 판도스네 때 마타 저우군 나마타 먹고 싶어 인지스는 거야 and because I'm able to practice patience with him he is worthy of being given the very first fruits of my patience for in this way he is the cause of it so for example if you are planting a garden okay if you are gardening yeah or if you're setting up a new business, okay, let's say you are selling clothes or something, yeah, and if somebody helps you, gives you money, not just loaning, he gives you money, yeah, he said, don't worry, just take it, 1 crore, and then you open a shop and you sell a lot you make a very good business. Who was the cause of it? All the money that you gain from your business, that person. So obviously, the first merit, the first money that you get, the first good business that you receive, what will you do? You'll take that money, you try to give it back to the person. Or you'll buy something nice. You'll buy a very nice watch. You'll buy a very nice car. You'll buy a very nice house or a vacation or something. And you will go and you'll put it at that person's feet. Thank you so much. It's because of you, So it's a bit like that. And because we are able to practice patience, of our enemy. And he's worthy of being given the very first fruit of patience. So whatever good karma we accumulate from our patience, what Shantideva was trying to say, we have to dedicate all the good merit to our enemies. For in this way, he is the cause of it, because he is the cause of our patience. Yeah, he is the direct cause for us gaining merit through becoming patient. So whatever merit we have, we don't keep it for ourselves, we dedicate it to our enemies. Then we cleanse even more karma. We become even better by becoming selfless. Oh no, but then you think, I have an enemy, I practice patience, I got good karma, now it's mine. No, then you become selfish again. Then again, that's, how can I say, small-minded samsaric thinking. That's the opposite. So whatever good karma you have, you dedicate it towards all sentient beings. But among them, the principal recipient of your good karma, which you're dedicating, should be your enemies. Because they're very difficult to come by. Yeah, other avenues are easy. Beggars, so many. Yeah, you can dedicate later. But the most important is your enemy. Whom you have, because it's also your fault that that person is an enemy in this lifetime. So you have debt, karmic debt, because you have harmed that person to become your enemy from your past life. That is one reason. Another reason is that because if you didn't have an enemy, you would not accumulate such big merit, by practicing patience. So you dedicate your good karma to your enemy. 예주. somma 다들이 결혼해서 하고 지스레와 윷. 이 간자 집에는 그점 교수님이 나셨 빈주. 예선 교수님이 때문에 생긴지면. Yeah. So as 다이가냥 second 숨주만에 말루스톡. So there's only 30 seconds remaining of this live stream. Instagram only allows for 1 hour of live streaming. I'm going to end it, and in 1 or 2 minutes I will restart the live stream. So join me back. We will do prayers. Yeah, then you lost on off just an on me some lost scudas then I injecting gampia then dans c'est pas ton canipia non me gunipia attendez dring zangchut silchasin way zangbushit bimola lost scudas please join me back. We will pray for all our Jawans who lost their lives at the border. Thank you.